So now we're gonna go to our champion, Daniel Maris. First of all, welcome to our guest from India, His Excellency Ambassador. Thank you very much for being here. We appreciate you and the whole Indian delegation. Maraming salamat. So, Tenny, congrats. You were down on the ground after the match. Gaano kahalaga yung panalo para sa iyo?
Sobrang happy po, and especially nandito po yung PTA family ko, nag-cheer sa akin. Thank you so much po talaga. And thank you din sa mga nanonood. And yun po.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you now. So you were leading 6-2 and then 3-1, right? And then, so, ano nangyari between the first and second set? Saan ka nahirapan? Paano ba nagbago yung game mo or yung game kaya ni Morgan? Kasi yung second set, super heated.
First pa lang po na laban namin ni Ate Morgan, sobrang hirap na po. Yung ginawa ko lang po, lumaban and mag-focus na 100% po sa court.
Okay, so you had 2 match points at 5-4 and then nabawi na. Medyo mahirap yun mentally, ba? Ano naisip mo at that point? Yung mga naging 5-all. And then 6-5, lumang pa siya. Paano mo nilakasan ang loob mo para ma-push mo yung tiebreak?
Gabal ko talaga sa court, and kapag nakikita ko yung family ko doon na nag-cheer, bumulis ko yung
Nice. You want to say hi to your family? Where are they?
all of them po, there's right there.
From Cotabato, si Tenny. And what about yung mga coach mo? Nakatulong ba sa'yo?
Sobrang nakatulong po. Especially to Coach Bobby, Camelo, and Coach Charlotte. Thank you sa inyo, Coach. Yes.
Okay, so you will receive the champion trophy and the winner's check of 150,000 pesos later on. Woo! Nakailang hundred ka na this year. You won so many titles. Good job. So, a big hand for Tenny Maris, our champion.